everyone. Happy Monday. I hope you're all doing well. I miss seeing all of your faces, but hopefully we can be together again soon. And until then, I feel super grateful that we're able to still connect and be able to practice our dance together. So last week I went over the routine step by step, but I wanted to go over some of the parts that we added on recently, just like I would in class, because it's still pretty new, so I want to be able to go through that a little bit slowly and help you all with that. And then hopefully we'll be able to add on a little bit, and then maybe add on a little bit more next week as well. So I wanted to start from this part, when we are, after we jungle walk to our spots, and when we start with the pointing. So we are out here, everyone is pointing on their left side, left arm's out, left leg is out. And so we're not quite in front of us, we are more pointing to the side, kind of at an angle. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we're doing that, we are putting our arm going around in a circle and our leg. And as we get to 4, this is when we switch a little bit. So if you are on the floor, this is when you are going to do your knee switch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Your left leg is now tucked behind your right leg. You're going to drop that left knee. Then you're going to drop your right knee. And you're out here on 7, 8. And so you're not pointing here or anything. You're kind of holding out your hand like if you were going to grab someone's hand. So we're out here on 7, 8. And then we are going to slam the ground. So you're going to bring that left knee out or back down, and you're going to slam on 1, pop your legs up on 2, stand up 3, 4. Now if you are in the back, what you are doing is similar. Again, we start off here, going around, left, starting out on our left, going around. When we get to here on 5, 6, we are going to turn, and we're out on 7, 8, also holding our arm out. And then on 1, you're going to be slamming that right foot down, and your arms are going to come down to your sides. And you're just going to hold it there nice and clean for 2, 3, 4. And everybody is going to step out on 5, which is the word love, and around for 6, 7, 8. And it's a little bit slower than you did it the first time. And then, so just to go over that a little bit slowly, if you are on the floor, or this is what it's going to look like if you're in the front row. So your jungle walk, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, drop 5, 6, out 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now if you are in the back row, this is what it's going to look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after that part, it repeats. So just like in the beginning when we go around, then we're going to do our step, touch, step, touch. We're going to do the next part. We're going to kick the door open. We're going to go what, around, back, and together. And then we are going to switch lines. So our back row, you're going to step forward once and then twice. And our front row, you're going to step back once and then twice. So we're starting with 2 rows, coming together to make 1 row, and then stepping back to make 2 rows again, just switching spots. Now with your arms, I want to make sure that you're not just stepping forward and keeping them kind of robotic. Make sure that they're kind of loose as you're going, but don't make it really big because you're going to smack each other when we're moving. So just kind of low, but make sure that they are not just stuck right at your sides. So after we do that, we're going to switch lines, and then what would have been our third pose, we are stepping out on our left leg, looking to the left, right fist is over your chest, and then your left arm is behind your back. We're looking out here. Front row is going to then drop down on the right side. From, so you're in a squat, arms are down here, above. So you're up on your toes, and then you are down on the other side. Back row is the opposite. You're looking out to your left, you're dropping down from above, and then dropping down on the other side. Then you're going to do 3 poses of your choice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you're going to do is everybody is going to take a few steps back. And as you're taking those steps back, you are lifting your arms up. So
So it'll say one that only comes from above. And you are going to lift up as you walk back. And then your arms are already up for you to start the next part. So they're up and you're going to jump out and do the chorus. Do the exact same thing before. We did our up rock, back cross. We're going to fold our arms on dance, turn around, and jump out on move. And this is where we're going to add in some new stuff. So this will be on 7, 8. And then what we're going to do on 1, 2, 3 is we are going to do 3 jumps. So we're out move, and then we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. So just to kind of slow that down, all you're doing with your feet are 1, 2, 3. Super easy. And your arms are just getting moved up to the sides as you're doing it. So each time we jump, we're raising our arms a little bit higher. So the word is, so it's everybody move, then we can make a change. So a little bit, I'll do that a little bit slower. Everybody move, and then it's 1, 2, 3. Pretty easy. And then we are going to hold this for 4, and we are going to kind of raise the roof. We're going 1, or the count there is 5, 6. So we were 1, 2, 3, hold 4, up 5, 6. We're going to the right first, just kind of pushing up, and then we're going to the left. And as you're doing that, I'd like for you to kind of step, but not like take a big step forward or anything like that. Just kind of step in place of 5, 6. Then we're going to drop our arms on 7, and on 8 you're going to shrug. So it just from move, it's going to look like this. Everybody move, we can make a change from New York to LAA. And then we're going to go into the next part, which we will add on for next week. But I'm going to go ahead and do that to the music, just to help you guys to add on to the new part. And I will do the part this time for the back so that you get a chance to see that. Right now, we will add on more next week. I hope you guys get a chance to practice as often as you can, and I hope you guys are making the most of this time to share kind of goodness. So be kind to each other, be uplifting to your family, and to those around you. I miss you guys, and I hope we can see each other again soon. Bye!